Today I want to tell you about an app that people are talking about a lot lately. It's called Pi Network. People are saying they can make thousands of dollars just by holding this app on their phone. But is it true? Let's take a look at the Pi Network app and see if it's worth your time. The Pi Network is a cryptocurrency project that lets you mine a digital currency called PiCoin right on your smartphone. It was started by a group of Stanford graduates in 2019. Their goal was to make it possible for anyone to mine crypto without needing expensive equipment or a lot of energy. Most cryptocurrencies use a method called proof of work, where you use powerful computers to solve complex math problems. This uses up a lot of electricity, and the computers need to be really powerful, which makes it hard and expensive for regular people to get involved in mining. That's why the Pi Network is different. They use a consensus algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which is much more energy efficient and requires much less computing power. All you need is a smartphone with an internet connection. So how does the Pi Network actually work, and how can you make money with it? Well, first off, let's talk about how you can make money with the Pi Network. The PiCoin is not yet listed on any major crypto exchanges, and you can't trade it for real money. However, the idea is that the PiCoin will have value in the future, and the more PiCoins you have now, the more valuable they could become once the network is fully launched and trading is allowed. You can get PiCoins by doing simple tasks in the mobile app like checking in every day, referring new users with your invitation code, and joining security circles with other Pi Network users. By doing these things, you can earn PiCoins, which will hopefully be valuable in the future. Now let's talk about how the Pi Network actually works. The Pi Network uses a consensus algorithm called the unique node list algorithm. This algorithm is designed to be more energy efficient and less prone to attacks than the proof of work algorithms used by most other cryptocurrencies. To participate in the Pi Network, you download the mobile app and create an account. You can then start mining PiCoins by tapping a lightning button in the app once every 24 hours. This starts a mining session, and after 3 days of mining, you can create a security circle with 3 to 5 other people who are also using the Pi Network. This helps to secure the network and adds another layer of trust between users. You can also run a Pi node on a computer, which is a more advanced way to participate in the network and validate transactions. While the Pi Network has some interesting ideas, it's also faced some criticism. Some people say that the referral system is too much, like a multi-level marketing scheme, and that the value of the PiCoin is not backed by anything real. Since the PiCoin has not had real-world value for a long time, many people are unsure if it will ever have any real-world value at all. So is the Pi Network a scam? Well, it's not a scam in the traditional sense. You can download the app and start mining PiCoins for free. However, it is important to remember that the value of the PiCoin is not guaranteed, and you should not invest any money into it.